Today we are gonna be playing Fortnite again. And guys, today we are gonna be playing with Gavin. Technically not. He's on his phone. He's gonna be controlling me for the whole video. Even though I hate all these I hate these types of videos. And Gavin wanted me to show him my locker. What do you want to put on?
Okay, let me see the skin. Put on the weirdest skin that you have.
Okay. I don't know. Oh yeah, I think I know. Naked Peely.
No, is it?
Naked Peely.
Okay, we learned Naked Peely.
This?
No, we're a banana. We're a banana back.
Okay.
I gotta go.
Okay. Well,
Bye.
and that was the quickest video ever. Hi guys. I'm just gonna play. Gavin has to go to school, but I go to school in a couple. I go to school later. And also, I'm taking off the. You know what? I'm taking off the skin. I'm taking the skin off. I'm putting it right there so Gavin can. We can do that video later. What? It's still on! Oh! Good. Okay. Well, you know what? Let's do cloak. I'm gonna wear cloak. And I am doing solid gold. And since clock is golden, he is gonna be my solid gold skin. And I'll see you guys in the map. Hey guys. We're here in solid gold. And I'm thank goodness Gavin had to go to school. But we have to do this video after school. But I'm still gonna get payback on Jason. That guy literally just gave me the creeps. Is this a solo game? I know. Please be solo. Please, please, please. I don't remember if it was anything. I just checked it. I'm landing in the middle of guys, I want to show you. What's my little chicken and an egg? Like, this is my father flying me. I'm collecting it. Remember when this used to be the box factory? And the Yasakut was here? Yeah. Good time. If you don't remember, you're disqualified. I have not seen one of these forever. This is a TNT I'm taking it. Get over here. If this is solid gold, it's all solid and gold. Not just solid gold. I don't want to have solid gold bars. I have not done that on my server. Drummies, break me through. Thank goodness, drummies. This is why pluck is pluck. That doesn't make any sense, I know. But I love to eat